Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In our previous videos we have worked on digital devices. From today we will be considering the analog devices and analog pins. And in this particular tutorial we will be using potentiometer as analog device. The components are Arduino, cable, a potentiometer of any resistance value, breadboard, and some jumpers. Let's move on to the connections. The potentiometer will be having 3 pins. The center pin will be a signal pin, and if you start rotating this knob in any of the directions it will be getting a multiple values from this pin. So we have to connect it to analog pin of the Arduino board. In the Arduino Uno, you can able to see 6 analog pins, AE0 to AE5. So here we are connecting it to pin AE0. The other 2 pins are positive and negative. We have to connect it to 5 volt and ground. And there is no problem even if you reverse the order. In the programming section, first we declare the port. So we are using integer data type, and give the name as what we have connected to AE0. So capital A0. And coming to the pin mode, AE0 is input device. So input. So as if I input device we have to read the values it is sending to the microcontroller. So we have seen how to use a digital read function of previous videos. It is also the same way written here. But instead of digital we have to write analog. So here it was digital before. Now we have written it as analog. And we are reading the pin AE0. We can also give it as pot. And we are getting some values from this. So I have to store that values to some variable. I'll give you the name as X. And we will also declare here to access getting the values from the pot. Now we have to print those values. So we will initialize the serial communication. To print, we are printing the value of X. So X. We will give some delay otherwise the values will be running fast. Give it as 100. So we have completed with the code. Before upload we save the code first. So let's open the serial monitor. So if you rotate the pot, we are getting a lot of values here. Analog device gives multiple values. It's not only 0 or 1. We are getting values ranging from 0 to 1023. So there are 1024 different values. So this is how the analog devices work. That's it for today guys. In the coming days, we will be controlling many devices using the potentiometer. Thanks for watching the video and we'll see you in the next video.